great festival. I am a person who believes in himself, have faith and confident, dedicated toward his goal and ready to conquer his dream. A very good evening to all the respected judges, my fellow contestants, and to all the lovely people present here tonight. Myself, Sarim Tokbi, I am your Mr. KYF participant, contestant number 9. I am 19 years old from the amazing Fulani town. I am BSc 4th semester student in Dhorom College, Doknoka. Talking about my hobby, I enjoy listening to music, exploring online and offline magazine, and I play game too. My aim in life is to become financially independent so that I can stand firm in my own faith. Success comes within practice and hard work. Thank you.
Diphu Taralangso! Good evening to honorable juries and to all the beautiful souls present here. I am Benasur Timong, your contestant number 18. And tonight, I am proudly representing diverse and vibrant communities of Semson constituency, residents of KHI Timong. My motto in life is to be confident and never giving up. And I truly believe in being confident and never giving up. And all the people present here right now must have these two aspects, that is self-confidence and never giving up. As these two aspects can help you achieve anything in life. I am 18 years old and currently pursuing my Asian second year commercial from Don Bosco Senior Secondary School. Thank you.
Hello everyone, and good evening to one and all present here, respected judges and to all the lovely audience. My name is Dhorom, and I'm from a very beautiful place of Kachepate, East Karbi Anglong, Assam. I am 21 years old, and I love cooking, playing football, and traveling as well. Talking about my studies, I'm currently pursuing my Bachelor of Commerce 6th semester from Diphu Government College. And my aim in life is to become a successful businessman. I believe that beauty comes from the heart. And I want everyone to chase their dreams. Thank you so much everyone. Have a great evening ahead.
Hello Taralangso. A very good warm evening to respected judges and to all the lovely audience present here. My name is Sonjoy Kamsa. I am 20 years old and I am from West Karbi Anglong, Hamren. I am here with hope of a positive change, to believe in myself, to have courage to take the first steps and trying to improve myself, empower myself, because I want others to step up, to have belief in themselves. Thank you so much.
Today you are a learner, but tomorrow you will be the leader in this beautiful world. My beautiful judges and my lovely audience, first of all, I would like to thank the organizing teams and for my respected judges for having me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sarjan Kronihang and I am 21 years old young man. You are contestant number 6. I belong to a scheduled tribes Karbi community from beautiful place where Karbi Anglong, Jirikendeng, Assam. My hobbies are cooking, dancing, traveling, home arrangements, and also love doing fitness.
I did my graduation from Rabindranath Tagore University, Gujarat, and now currently pursuing my master's degree at the same university. My aim in life is to become a professor of education. Last but not least, find out yourself who you are and do it on the right purpose. The world is yours. I hope you all living good with your family members. Stay safe, stay healthy. Kurwan too.
Dhorom Taralangso. Aprang si non Kachepate abang puto anapan ingkrung sai ponbom aman ke do aluhi krung sai pom mate krung sai pito anapan tabe dilhin pen arnigang sama kardom ni aklok pen pajereklo kardom lapen ke langara to anapan tabe dilhin pen arnigang sama kardom pajereklo kardom nili men thare mirson teron nili rong lakadak difu men sing rong rong pen lapen nili ke klem bom asai lake guk mate kitun ke dang asai si nili gohatia rong supilong klempon bom lapen nili YouTube hong jai long same sai jo klempon bom lapen nili kemang lapen kar I lake inut lam kan arjan ka chipar jana bang phu lapan sinali tu pen chipachi yang tek pakleng cek thek lo dome thame kardo
Dhorom Taralangso. Good evening to our respected juries and each and everyone present here. And thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Ingti. I am your contestant number 5. I hail from a beautiful place, Tarabasa. I am currently pursuing Bachelor of Science, 4th semester at London College, Hosai. My hobbies: teaching, traveling, listening to the motivational speaker, and modeling. I have a joyful personality and I love making connection with the people. I believe it's hard to be a person who never give up. My motto: be together, spread knowledge. Thank you.
Dhorom Taralangso! A warm good evening to each and everyone, respected judges, the organizers, and to all my jury members. I am Raje, representing from West Caribbean Boy Talangso. Currently 11th standard at Semson singing team from Commerce Stream. I believe that no matter how far you have been coming from, or the struggle you have faced, but never stop having faith, praying to God, and never stop believing in yourself. That is the reason why I'm standing here. Thank you.
Dhorom Taralangso. Aprang si nilimitang pan chipachini ne aprang. Bilingwe ladak nangachetong dun. Manpeng kedo. Kang krung kang sai. Lapeng sarpi sarpu. Aklimang par. Doan pan stame. Nilihin pen. Mate indeng poke braisi. Kabiristo nimso rongaje. Akadom na pajeriglo. Kado. Nili men thare no giritiso. Nili arta inquiry. Nili Charlie Bob nage Diphu Government College cholong si Nili Charlie Dunbob. Nili rong mate Nili kewang. Lake ipilong rialong. Nong nam kache thang nai. Ati mate lake Diphu rong sopi.
Nelika long Nelika Chiman Gang Tung Lake Inut Texer Mesen No Tan Bangpu Nelika long Nelika Bisike Nangli Kupima Ke Nasi Nangli Rodongji Lan Pensi Nililam Te Pajorik Koklo Dome Thak Me Gorwang Tu
Kadam Taralangso Tante, ilitum methanga jutang jubara posi nili nipi alam seninge pola penili nipi alam pan jutang jubara pan nili cinghon pik posi nili ning chot dong si nili lam ning jeji nepi alam ne cinghon china aprangsi kadok kawe inung we nadak nagas bang dun sarpi sarpu akli mangpal kedawana pan same puthot nali tuma pan sengkan kimi made ingdeng poke bresi Kalbi riso mimso wrong aja kadom nangpa jo iglo kadom laben puthot pinungwe lada Raje kime Kachepate long man peng ke thinai laben man peng kang tunai kang prung kang sai Achetai pia tuma phan nili ningak long balang ni tum same chorolo laben nili chipa chini ne apran nili ka choro kang tung nili ningak long balang ni tum han choro ek nangji UKYF mate United Kalbi Youth Association alang litum aphan lapu sona jai mek nang keman pialang litum phan chorowek nangji lapen puthot nili angko ningje thulang nili Taralangso along mare kalbi people holalong nili ning kang sama chatai protila dakhelo ru Semson sing inti athi litum ko people ning kang sam nili ningaklo ma than athi ru Semson sing inti litum ke father of nation puta choklo litum stami alang ni phan man peng chipi wek nangji rusen losing tike do joy nisi pini litum kalbiang district kelong lasi aprangsi milimen thare babusor rongpha nilikewang mon singing tiarong lang dilaya klam lapen nilikai ke klem sai lun kaju lapen kekan lapen jilpo jilpi pen kacethan kachemum lapen nili nekalong keman inut thea songjapo mate political leader athe kopia polo political leader mate thea songjapo keman kang tungke jasmet pet itum non kalbiang long akisung dopi lasi nili tame moanisi nangni to mehel jumepen nili tame inut thea songjapo nang manu tangte kalbiang long kipaching thorjia bhan niltani ning kihangdo lasi Binungwe nili lapan sinili lam thing to ni kopar dome thak me kurwan to gado
And good evening to all the honorable judges and to all my fellow contestants, and good evening to each and everyone present here. My name is Ruhan Singro and I am from a beautiful place, Dokmoka, Nalangatyadarso. And I am 19 years old, your contestant number 3, currently pursuing BSc 4th semester with honors in geology at Thamnoge College. My hobbies include singing and dancing, and I want to become a successful professor. And I'm a person who believes in hard work, dirt, and luck. Thank you, and have a great evening to all.
Pardon, a very good evening to our respected jury members and all the beautiful audience. I am Rohit Inghi from beautiful town of Diphu Taralangso itself. Recently, I have completed my Bachelor's of Arts from Diphu Government College, and currently I am serving my state in Panchayat and Rural Development Department in Silchar. I am 22 years old and I'm very passionate about anything doing in my life, which make me a better version of myself. And I truly believe one should fashion his life with a garden of good deeds. So keep doing good, keep smiling, and spread love. Thank you.
people that are present here this lovely evening. My name is Mrinmade Marg and I'm from Nanghin Karbi Anglong and I'm 18 years old. As my father is Boro and my mother is Karbi, I strive its heritage and a long-lasting culture every day. I have an everlasting passion for dancing and performing as a professional dancer. I speak fluent Boro and English and alongside with a little bit of Karbi. Karbi, alumni as Pasaptek. Last but not least, I want to thank the 2025 of Karbi Festival and MR.KYF for letting me have this opportunity to be here, and it is truly an honor to be representing my culture here. Thank you and pardon.
Dhorom Taralangso. Apransi, Piningwe, Ingdeng, Pokabrasi, Karbi Resorting So, Raje, Apuna Chak, Chop, Limathare, Gangrung Gangsai Ponji, Abangpu, Laben Abangti, Laben, Howard Timpen, Jutang Kachinghon, Karbi Arati do Alapan, Apransi, Ingdengs, Pokabrasi, Karbi, Resorting So, Raje, Kardom, Pachiriklo. Kardom! Lilimen, Thare, Chung Hong Terang. Nili kiwan rungdugor sinason ahomar pe. Lapen nili ni keham kilun lapen kikan lapen mitang Karbi jutang jubat lun lam tomo lapen binteng sumpot ansuse angsom kirung ponje panili kai ke kabori lapen nili ni keham do nasi lapon chipachini pensi nili lampe riponi cheklo Kardom.
Dhorom Taralangso. Penenga sengkan risonim so rongaje ingdeng pokebrai si ningkan suri hinira ingkoi rapho pinining we ladap nei chitong dun aman peng ke do nai abang pu abang pi kangkrung kangsai abang pu abang pi lapen ke do an narata pan sitame nilihin pen Kardom nilimen thare robin timung nili kibang lake gulat hada hawara longpen nili ki Charlie Bomangdeng lake BS6 semester lapen nili kailam kimang asai ke lahenlo akime asai ki klempen mo sidame no sit hek gulotangte nipi nipo phan man peng pen aru so se amahang pang tu dunik ji phan se nili bor ipon nililam thela anpen kipusi pang tonik lok Kardom
Dhorom Taralangso. Aprangsi manpeng gido kangkrung kangsai pi hayatu lapen labangso ajai megalong alira cham nang pidu na tundon aphan ningak longpen ingdeng phokebra si Karbi sulim sorong aja Kardom nang pajiro Kardom nilimen thare longkir hiteron niliarta ningkani ko rapho nili kewang borjana ha warpen nili kachari angdeng lake graduate bogajan college pen nili MR.KYF lo nang Kachepate dun piningan ningkan troxy lo ki chengpen piningan ke athe MR.KYF amana peng lake jutang jubat pindeng sumpot lamet lam chongpen kachera blog amana peng posinilita ahok pe akari do binong lasinili MR.KYF ningkan trok remdet apita nili ingtonte athe bidikang chotum ki pualam thedo great thing take time be patient never give up so I believe and hope there will be a good day ahead for me too which I will achieve something great in my life that I could bring smile
on my parents' face and make them feel proud. So I'm here once again to be a part of Mr. KYF 2025. Dhorom!
Assalamualaikum. Raje lah udik pergi. Rantai halangi cium itu piring langsung. Mr. Kebab 2025 along. Kachepate pon mate. Archie kemana ya thare pembunuhan mati tu. Masalah kecengsi angkung mate. Masih pasini angkung abang ke lawan si kantong itu.